Hi, Deirdre Lane here from Earth Clinic. Today I'm going to show you how to make a stress-relieving remedy that supports a critical mineral need of the muscles and every cell of the body. Chronic magnesium deficiency can lead to inflammation in the body, age-related diseases, and anxiety. Symptoms of magnesium deficiency in the body include insomnia, anxiety, depression, anorexia, fatigue, weakness, vertigo, migraines, headaches, high blood pressure, muscle spasms, numbness, cramps, heart irregularities, and electrolyte imbalance. One of the best ways to deliver magnesium to the body is transdermally. Transdermal means across the skin. Magnesium is well absorbed through the skin, which is your largest organ. Magnesium supplements can be taken orally, but too much magnesium causes diarrhea, which makes the transdermal method particularly appealing to those with a sensitive gut. The most basic magnesium oil is simply a combination of magnesium flakes and distilled water. Magnesium oil is called an oil, but it isn't a true oil. It just feels oily. Magnesium oil can also be purchased as a spray or cream, but making it at home is so easy and a much cheaper option. Today I'll show you how to use witch hazel instead of distilled water, which one of Earth Clinic's most popular posters, Art Solbrig, thank you Art, shared with us recently. Using witch hazel instead of distilled water will lessen the oily feeling of magnesium oil. Add half a cup of magnesium flakes to half a cup of witch hazel. Pour into a spray bottle. That's it. To use magnesium oil, spray your skin with it once or twice daily. If you're using magnesium oil to target a specific area of pain, feel free to use it even more often. For general use, magnesium oil can be sprayed on the trunk, the legs, and the bottoms of the feet. Magnesium oil before bed can promote better sleep, reduce insomnia, and calm restless legs. Magnesium is so helpful if you're stressed out. Improving sleep and reducing stress is good for your heart and your body's repair mechanisms to keep you looking and feeling your best. Feel free to add lavender oil to your magnesium oil blend if it's something you'll be using at bedtime. The lavender will promote relaxation and good sleep as well. Just add 20 drops to the recipe I demonstrated. Peppermint essential oil is another soothing oil to add to your magnesium oil, but it isn't the right one to use right before bed since peppermint oil can have a stimulating effect and prevent you from sleeping. It is wonderful though if you're using magnesium oil to relieve pain in your shoulders, neck, and back. Again, simply add 20 drops to the recipe. Magnesium oil can make the skin feel itchy, especially when you first start to use it. 20 minutes after applying it can be rinsed off without decreasing the benefit. Or apply your favorite lotion before or after applying magnesium oil to decrease the itchy feeling. You can include MSM in the recipe to reduce the itchy feeling that sometimes accompanies magnesium oil use. Mix in 10 to 20 grams of MSM crystals. You can find MSM at farm stores, online, or your local health food store. Now keep in mind, MSM can also cause side effects in people. One such side effect might be a skin rash. Store-bought magnesium oils have approximately 560 milligrams of magnesium per teaspoon of magnesium oil. This is about 20 sprays, but test your own spray bottle to see how many sprays it takes to make 1 teaspoon if you want to know just how much magnesium you're applying. For comparison's sake, the recommended daily amount of magnesium for men is 400 milligrams and 310 milligrams for women. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date on natural remedies to help you take charge of your health.
Get it right.